mipi tam ta ki su khomin ei wangin langa hun police ho tam ta ame police wang tam pi ameผู้ท่องมีแล้วผู้ไม่ชิมเป็นไทยผู้มักไงรุ่นนะจ๊ะเลยห้องไง
Convoy CBI was arrested in an FIR. He's a fraud. He shows fake ID card of CBI. He's not a CBI officer, the one you are talking to. He's a fraud. Call him here. He will be arrested again because he's a fraud. Oh, really? He was arrested in an FIR. Ask him if he was not. What about no permission letter has received. This guy is a fraud. Who is talking now? Convoy. He says that he is CBI officer. He is a fraud. You people are falling in that trap. They are instigating. No. Okay, you choose a leader. You choose a leader. आराम से नहीं आप सुनो मेरी बात. Leader decide करो. You pick a leader. Let him go to DC office. Let him come to SP office. Obtain permission. If we find it is unlawful, then permission may not be given also.
Maybe a fraud, but I don't know the reality. But as you said, yes, okay, but
today you have no. Listen.
We will go to DC and we will.
No. Till then you cannot gather. Some untoward incident happens. Who will be responsible?
Okay.
Abhi now you disperse immediately. I'll give you 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Hey!
langa jang khun mipi tampi u Dr.Mark ngai lu na zal langa hom mi tampi yang ki su khom mi langa jang khun tuni ta banga hi nam sung mipi te ikilung tu ngai udau
हम लोग वो समझाएगा सर. आप लोग आराम से हम लोग समझाएगा. हमारा ये लोग जाएगा आप लोग वहाँ से बगाए. आप नीचे आना. इसलिए हम लोग इधर पे आपको पास परमिशन आएगा ना. देन यू सेंड अ व्हाट्सएप मैसेज. गैदर करने के लिए क्यों नहीं परमिशन की जरूरत है? हम लोग खाली गैदर कर रहे हैं. हम लोग अभी वायलेंट हो गए. अभी वायलेंट होगा. मुझे पता है आधे से ज्यादा लोग नहीं वायलेंट हम लोग समझाएंगे. हाँ वायलेंट होगा. इसका नाम नोट करो, इनका नाम नोट करो, सबका नाम नोट कर लो. इफ इट इज वायलेंट दे विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल. सर हम लोग नहीं आप इन सबका नाम नोट करो. 1 2 3 4 5 इन सबका नाम नोट करो.
We gather peacefully here, sir.
No. You note down all the names. If there is violence, it is this for violence.
Sir, according to Article 19 says that we have the right to assemble peacefully without arms.
Yes,
so
you
we
can
have the right
assemble,
to assemble here.
But
it is a right for us.
Arey, listen first.
Is
You
there any
read only
violence?
half the constitution. It
Yeah,
also
is
says
there any
that
violence?
there can be reasonable restrictions for that, which
See,
means that you
there
have
is
to
no
seek
violence at
permission. Wait, listen first. You know only about your right, but you don't know about your duties. You have to first seek permission. There can be reasonable restrictions imposed by the government. You understand? reasonable restrictions. Read about reasonable restrictions. After you obtain permission, you gather, no problem. But before that, you have to disperse. You obtain permission, show me the letter. Some of you leaders come to me, show me, sir, we have letter. Please give us security. We will escort you. We will escort you if you have permission. But if you don't have permission, this is an unlawful assembly. Your permission only when you cannot wait for permission. You cannot gather and then say you will take permission. Before organizing a program, you have to take permission. You cannot say I am organizing a program, now give permission. You cannot do that. First take permission. You disperse from here, take permission, then assemble. No, you cannot guarantee that nothing will happen. Who are you to tell me?
Sir, we are not that fool.
No. You have to disperse, take permission, then come to us. We will escort you. But before that, you have to disperse. Until you have written permission, no gathering. Otherwise, I will.
Really, traffic boy ni tu. Auto ko, mga mipi sa ulo ni traffic boy ni jeka permission ngai. Permission ngai sin, why jeka why permission kingen? Why? Denale thangboy ka office, amau DC office am lele mo. Amang ka 11:30 ya permission ang bo sakte kai jesu. Why jeka ka elo hela konga mga kamera jauh dari sini. Anak tu pun juga. Anak tu tina. Kamu oleh polis ni pertawa le. Polis ni kaya boina apian kaya lau mo. Wajah kaya bau kau mo.
boina pi kha de lau ni lau amo ko le wo ni kham
boina pi di.
Ayo ni ya.
Yo, kita di boina am demo. Amo ko thau diu chu. Ele kita se ka tiyo, kita se ka tiya.
Let's wait for 11:30. And sit around there. Okay. Don't go home. Just sit around there. Sit around.
Kami selfie lau le.